I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker and I am going to make a fried egg. I also have an egg which I've cracked into this small bowl. So the first thing I need to do is plug in the egg bite maker.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I plugged it in and you can see that the blue light went on. Once that light goes off, then this appliance is ready to use. So I'll be back when the light goes off. Okay, the light has gone off, so let's open up this Dash egg bite maker. Always be very careful because it is super hot. Now, if you want to, you can spread some butter or oil on the bottom of this egg bite maker, but I am just going to illustrate how to do it without that. This is a non-stick surface, so I'm just going to take my egg. And there we have it. And I'm going to close this. And I'm going to be back in 1 minute. Okay, it's been 1 minute now, so let's open this up. Here's what's going on. The egg's cooking, but it's not done yet, so let's shut this and let's cook it for 1 more minute. Okay, another minute has gone by. Let's see what's going on now. And look at that. That looks like it's cooked. So in 2 minutes, we have a nicely fried egg. I'm unplugging the egg bite maker. Always make sure to unplug it when you're done with it. And always be careful because it is very hot. And I have my spatula here. I'm going to try not to break the yolk. I might need a bigger spatula. And there you have it. That is how you can fry an egg in a Dash egg bite maker. Look at that egg. It is piping hot. I am going to now grab a fork, and I think this has a really nice runny yolk. So let's see. Let's cut into the yolk. Yeah, look at that. That is a really nice sunny side up egg with a runny yolk. Obviously, if you like a firmer yolk, I would cook it for another minute. And if you like a really firm yolk, I'd probably cook it for another 2 minutes, although I don't know if that would be too much. But if you like a runny yolk, which I tend to do, I kind of like a runny yolk if I'm eating this over toast or something like that. But I'm going to taste it anyway. Yeah, really good. And so that's how you can make a fried egg in a Dash egg bite maker. It's actually big enough to fry a few eggs at the same time, which is what I like about this egg bite maker. I find it a little bit more versatile than the Dash griddle, which really can only fry 1 egg at a time. You could actually fry 2 or even possibly 3 eggs in this egg bite maker. I will post a link to this egg bite maker on Amazon in the description below this video and also in the comments below. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.